the images and shape interface. Okay, so over to this place, these icons here are basically the default backgrounds on Pixellab. So these are default backgrounds in case you don't want to make use of in case you just want to make use of their background, you can just come here and click on any of their background and make use of it. You can just come here, click any of the background and make use of it if you don't want to use your own background. So they have default backgrounds here already, so you can just make use of them. Why this default is the clear background where you use your own background. Okay, you delete this. Okay, going over to the text interface, you click on this spot here, this a spot. This is the text, simply means text. So you add text, edit. Okay, you notice that when I click on this add text, these are the series of tools that popped out. You get? So these are the tools we work with while working on the text interface. These are the tools we work with. So you edit the text. Let me say, let me use Pixellab tutorial. Pixellab tutorial. Okay, you press OK. All right, so that's the text right now. So you can delete. The next tool after the edit is the delete. You can delete the text if you want. You can bring it back. So the next is copy. Copies in Pixellab simply means to duplicate, like make another copy of your text. To duplicate, making another copy of your text. Okay, making another copy. So to front, yeah, to front. Okay, let me use this text as an example. Let me color this text right now and use it as an example for you guys. Let me use this one instead. Okay, as you can see, delete. Okay, as you can see, this text I colored red now. We are making use of the two fonts. I'm explaining the two fonts now. Two fronts. So this text I colored right now, as you can see, sorry. Okay, this text I colored right now, as you can see, it is behind this other text on white color. So what the two front basically does is bringing a text from the back to the front. Get from the back to the front. So you can see it's now on the front. It's now on the front of the white text. As you can see, it's now on the front. So the to back means taking a text from the front to the back. From the front to the back, so you can see the white one is now above the red one. The text with the white color is now above the text with the red color. So that's what to front and to back basically does, bringing to the front and taking to the back. So the position tool is used to move your text around your workspace. It's used to basically move your text around your workspace. You can move your text like this actually, but if you want to accurately move your text, you use this tool to move your text to wherever you want it to be in the workspace. Okay, so the relative position tool, this is also used to move text, but the difference from this tool to the position tool is that this tool move text to a specific direction in the workspace. It moves text to a specific direction in the workspace. For instance, if I want to move this text now to the bottom, I'll just go over to this place and move it to the bottom. Instead of moving it hazardly around the workspace, you just move it to a specific direction easily, to a specific point, to a specific direction easily, to the side, to the left, to the right, to the up, to the down, to the center. You get? So that's what it does. So sizing, we all know what text size is: to increase the size and decrease the size of a text, increase and decrease, increase and decrease. Padding, okay. Padding is a kind of text effect. Is a kind of text effect used in Pixellab. You pad to the right, you can pad to the right and you can pad to the left. You get? So it's a kind of text effect used to design a text. You get? So it's just a text effect you use while working with text to pad to the left and pad to the right. Okay. Color. Color, we all know what color is: to change the color of the text, change the color. There are two types of color. We have the plain colors and we have the gradient colors. The gradient colors. This plus sign here is to edit the gradient. You can edit the gradient. You can come here and change the color of the gradient. Come here, change the color of the gradient, and you press OK to apply to the text, as you can see. So gradient tool is used gradient simply means a variation of color from one color to the another. You get? While the plain color is just a single solid color used in text, a single solid color. You can also change the color here with that plus sign.